Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have a game changer for all you DIY enthusiasts and creative minds out there. We're talking about the Printer's Jack Iron-on heat transfer paper for dark fabric. This is, without a doubt, the best heat transfer paper available in the market, and we're about to show you why. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Alright, let's get started. First things first, this heat transfer paper comes in a pack of 20 sheets, each measuring 8.3 by 11.7 inches. It's specifically designed for dark-colored fabrics, making it perfect for creating custom designs on black t-shirts, bags, pillowcases, aprons, and more. What sets it apart is its durability and stretchability, ensuring your designs withstand washer and dryer cycles superbly. To get started, you'll need an inkjet printer like Epson, HP, Brother, or Canon, along with pigment ink. Don't forget your heat press machine, a dark color pattern to be transferred, and some protective paper and scissors. Now, the creative possibilities with this heat transfer paper are endless. You can give your friends and family unique handmade gifts for various occasions, whether it's Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, or birthdays. Plus, you can even turn it into a revenue-generating plan right from the comfort of your home. Here's a quick rundown of how to use this amazing heat transfer paper. Print your image on the smooth side of the paper and cut it into the desired shape. Peel the printed film and place it onto the fabric, with the image facing up. Put a sheet of protective paper on top of the printed film. Set the time and temperature on your heat press machine, 25 to 30 seconds and 329 to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, applying heavy pressure. Allow the paper and fabric to cool down a bit, and then gently peel off the protected paper. Printer's Jack stands behind the quality of their product and offers a customer satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues, their support team is ready to assist you. In conclusion, the Printer's Jack Iron-on heat transfer paper for dark fabric is a game changer for anyone looking to create custom designs on dark-colored fabrics. With its ease of use, durability, and endless creative possibilities, it's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow DIYers. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more honest and insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this product, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy crafting!